If you're trying to lose weight, but don't want to spend hours at the gym, this video is for you. Because honestly, one of the most underrated ways to lose weight is simply walking more consistently. You don't need expensive equipment-intense workouts or complicated fitness programs, and that's exactly why walking apps have become so popular. They help you stay motivated, track your progress, and turn walking into a daily habit. One of the most popular walking apps for weight loss right now is WalkFitten, app designed to help people build walking routines, set goals, and gradually become more active. The app offers features such as personalized walking plans, daily step goals, activity tracking, calorie estimates, and guided programs for different fitness levels, whether you're a complete beginner or someone who already walks regularly. The app can help create a structured plan based on your goals. One thing many users like is that it removes the guesswork. Instead of wondering how much you should walk or how often, the app gives you a plan to follow, which can make it easier to stay consistent. Another advantage is that walking is accessible to almost everyone. You can walk in your neighborhood, at a local park, during your lunch break, or even on a treadmill at home. And over time, those daily walks can add up to a significant amount of physical activity. Now, let's talk about weight loss expectations, because this part is important. No walking app can magically make you lose weight. The app is simply a tool. The real results come from consistency, healthy habits, and staying active over time. Many people start strong, but quit after a few days. That's why features like reminders, progress tracking, and goal setting can be so useful. They help keep you focused and motivated, especially during the first few weeks. Another thing to consider is combining your walking routine with healthier food choices, because exercise and nutrition often work best together. Even small changes, like walking more each day, drinking enough water, and making better food choices can produce noticeable results over time. So if you're looking for a simple way to become more active, WalkFit is definitely one of the apps worth considering. In 2026, it provides structure, motivation, and useful tracking tools that can help support your fitness journey. And honestly, sometimes the best workout isn't the most intense one. It's the one you can keep doing every single day. Because small daily walks can eventually lead to big long-term results.